In this video, we will learn about some more function that we can utilize in list. So this is one list that contain apple, banana, and cherry. So if we want to update any item, for example, instead of apple, if we want to update this value with orange, then how we will do this is this list is equal to. So first of all, we need to fetch the first item, that is apple 1. And here you can see we are getting apple, and then we have to assign another value like orange, this list. So here you can see orange, banana, and cherry. If we want to find the length of list, then it's very simple. We just need to use one function length, and then we need to pass this list. So here you can see we are getting 3 because there are 3 items in this list. Next, if we want to find any item in this list, for example, if we want to see the cherry is available in this list or not, then how we will do this? Just need to write here cherry, and then percentage sign in operator, and then we have to use the list, this one, control enter. So here you can see we are getting true. And if I say cherries, this item is not available here, and we should get false. So here you can see we are getting false. If we want to append any item in this list, then how we will do that? It will be, we have to use one function append, and first item will be the list, this list, and then for example we need to pass here apple. So here you can see we are getting now 4 items: orange, banana, cherry, and apple. So if I um, write here this list, then we will see what type of values in this list we will get. So as you can see we are getting orange, banana, and cherry. We are not getting apple because this list is having all the old values. So for the new value we need to assign this new appended item to x. X is another list, and then we need to execute, control enter this one, and x. So here you can see we are getting orange, banana, cherry, and apple. So if we want to append apple uh, after banana, for example this one, then how we will do that? We just need to use one more parameter here. After, the index will be 2. So here you can see orange, banana, and apple. So apple has been added into the third position. So with the help of third parameter after, you can append any item according to your requirement. So next we will see how we can remove a particular item in this list. So here you can see in the first index we have orange, then banana, apple, and cherry. And if we want to remove apple, then how we will do that? So it will be like we need to create new list. New list is equal to, and then we need to take the list x, and we have to pass the index number 3. So -3, this one. And if I display new list, so here you can see we are getting orange, banana, and cherry, and the apple, which was on the third position, has been removed. Let's create one more list. For example, my list. And if I display my list, so here you can see we are getting total 7 items in this list. And if I say I am only interested in cherry, orange and kiwi, then how we will get this thing? It's very simple. We just need to use my list, and here we need to provide one index vector. So the index vector will be either we can use a vector or either we can provide one range here. So for example 2, 3 and 4. So we can write here 2 to 4, this one. So here you can see banana, cherry, orange, banana, cherry, orange. So banana is on the second position, third and fourth. We can also pass one vector here. For example, we can pass here C, and first we need to retrieve apple, the first position, then the third position will be cherry, and then the fifth position will be kiwi, and seventh position will be mango. So we will get 4 different items according to our choice. So then we need to execute. So here you can see we are getting apple, cherry, kiwi and mango. So either you can put a range here, either you can put index vector in the form of integer vector. If we want to loop this list, then how we will do that? We just need to use for loop, and the variable will be, for example, v1, and we need to use here one vector, the list vector. So the name of the vector is my list, this one. And then we have to print. We need to use then we need to use one function print, and here we have to write v1, this one. So let's execute. So here you can see apple, banana, cherry, orange, kiwi, melon and mango. These 7 items with the help of loop. In the last, we will see how we can merge 2 or more lists together. So for example, list 1, we need to create one list here, list, and this list is, for example, A, then B and then C. This is the first list, and then the second list 2 is equal to list, and then we have to use 1, 2 and 3. This is the second list. We just need to use one more list, list 3 is equal to C, and we need to use the list 1 comma list 2. So we are creating one vector that contain 2 items that belong to different list. And if we execute, let me write here list 3. So here you can see now we have concatenated 2 lists into one. So ABC and 1, 2 and 3. So that's all about list in OR. If you have any question, please write in the comment section, and if you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.